Hey there, and welcome back to Daily Speak. I'm Alex, and today we have a big practice session for you. We're going to shadow common English sentences for daily life. Here's how it works. I'll say a sentence. Then you repeat it after me. Out loud. Copy my sound, my speed, and my rhythm. Don't worry about being perfect. Just speak. These are real sentences that native speakers use every day in America. By the end, you'll feel more natural and confident. Find a quiet place, and let's begin. Listen, and repeat after me. Part 2. Let's start with greetings. Repeat after me. Hi, how's it going? Hi, how's it going? Good to see you. Good to see you. How have you been? How have you been? I'm doing great, thanks. I'm doing great, thanks. What's new with you? What's new with you? Not much. You? Not much. You? Have a good one. Have a good one. Great job. Let's keep going. Part 3. Now, our morning routine. Repeat after me. I just woke up. I just woke up. I need some coffee. I need some coffee. I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready. I'm running late. I'm running late. Let's grab breakfast. Let's grab breakfast. I'm heading out. I'm heading out. Have a great day. Have a great day. Wonderful. You're doing great. Part 4. Common questions. Now, common questions. Repeat after me. What's your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where are you from? What do you do? What do you do? What time is it? What time is it? Can you help me? Can you help me? How much is it? How much is it? What's going on? What's going on? Excellent. Keep going. Part 5. Polite phrases. Now, polite phrases. Repeat after me. Thanks so much. Thanks so much. You're welcome. You're welcome. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Excuse me. Excuse me. No worries. No worries. It's no problem. It's no problem. After you. After you. Perfect. You sound natural. Part 6. Asking for help / clarifying. Now, asking for help. Repeat after me. Could you help me out? Could you help me out? I don't understand. I don't understand. Could you say that again? Could you say that again? What does that mean? What does that mean? Can you speak slowly? Can you speak slowly? How do you spell that? How do you spell that? Got it, thanks. Got it, thanks. Great work. Let's continue. Part 7. Feelings. Now let's talk about feelings. Repeat after me. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm really tired. I'm really tired. I'm a little hungry. I'm a little hungry. I'm super excited. I'm super excited. I'm kind of nervous. I'm kind of nervous. I feel much better. I feel much better. I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well. Beautiful. You're doing so well. Part 8. Small talk. Now, small talk. Repeat after me. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. It's really hot today. It's really hot today. How was your weekend? How was your weekend? Any plans for tonight? Any plans for tonight? That sounds fun. That sounds fun. Tell me about it. Tell me about it. Same here. Same here. Fantastic. Keep practicing. Part 9. At work / school. Now, sentences for work and school. Repeat after me. I have a meeting. I have a meeting. I'm a little busy right now. I'm a little busy right now. Can we talk later? Can we talk later? Let me check on that. Let me check on that. I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you. That works for me. That works for me. Sounds good to me. Sounds good to me. Great job! You're almost halfway. Part 10. Shopping. Now, shopping sentences. Repeat after me. I'm just looking, thanks. I'm just looking, thanks. How much is this? How much is this? Do you have this in blue? Do you have this in blue? Can I try this on? Can I try this on? I'll take it. I'll take it. Do you take cards? Do you take cards? Can I get a bag? Can I get a bag? Wonderful. Let's keep going. Part 11. Now, restaurant sentences. Repeat after me. Table for two, please. Table for two, please. Can I see the menu? Can I see the menu? I'll have a coffee. I'll have a coffee. What do you recommend? What do you recommend? This is delicious. This is delicious. Can I get the check? Can I get the check? Keep the change. Keep the change. Excellent. You're doing amazing. Part 12. Getting around/travel. Now, getting around. Repeat after me. Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? How do I get there? How do I get there? Is it far from here? Is it far from here? Turn left at the corner. Turn left at the corner. It's right over there. It's right over there. I'm a little lost. I'm a little lost. Thanks for your help. Thanks for your help. Great work. Keep going. Part 13. Now, talking on the phone. Repeat after me. Hi, this is Alex. Hi, this is Alex. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hold on a second. Hold on a second. I'll call you back. I'll call you back. You're breaking up. You're breaking up. Let me call you later. Let me call you later. Talk to you soon. Talk to you soon. Fantastic. Almost there. Part 14. Evening routine. Now, our evening routine. Repeat after me. I'm heading home. I'm heading home. I'm making dinner. I'm making dinner. Let's watch a movie. Let's watch a movie. I'm so tired tonight. I'm so tired tonight. I'm going to bed. I'm going to bed. Good night. Good night. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Wonderful. One more set. Part 15. Now, let's finish with confidence. Say these with a strong voice. Repeat after me. I can speak English. I can speak English. I practice every day. I practice every day. I'm getting better and better. I'm getting better and better. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I will never give up. I will never give up. My English is improving. My English is improving. I am confident. I am confident. Amazing work. Part 16. Wow! You did such a great job today. You practiced so many useful sentences for daily life. I'm really proud of you. Remember, the secret is simple. Practice every day. Even 10 minutes a day will make a huge difference. Come back and shadow with me often. Here's your homework. In the comments below, write one sentence you practiced today. I read every single comment. If this helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to Daily Speak for more speaking practice. I'm Alex. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.